Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to go ahead and reveal Yolo usernames. So you can see right here, all the messages, I can see who sent them, I can see the names, guys. This is insane. And in order to do this, we're going to be using an app called Yolo++. It's a modded version, you can see right here. And it's super easy to download. I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. It's completely free. So basically, you will be able to see the username of everyone who sends you messages. It's pretty funny that you can actually go ahead and see who is sending these because YOLO is supposed to be anonymous. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do this from the very beginning. So it's really easy and it's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of Yolo++. I'm going to delete it just so I can show you guys how to download it from the very beginning. So before you go ahead and download this on your device, you have to go ahead and open up the settings app on your iPhone. There's a few settings that you have to go ahead and change. So let me open the app right here and I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. So the first thing you want to do in settings, guys, is go ahead and go down to the general section. So let me just go down here to general. It's got the little settings thing right there. So go to general, and once you're there, what you want to do is find this option called background app refresh and make sure that this is on. Background app refresh is very important as it allows apps to go ahead and refresh their content. So you want to make sure that you have this on either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data. It doesn't matter. Just make sure it's turned on and you're going to be good to go. So once you've done that, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and go back, and you actually want to go back into general. And there's another section in general called date and time. So go to date and time, and basically in date and time there's a setting called set automatically, and you want to make sure that this is on. It should be on by default, but if it's off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. Now once you've done that, you're pretty much all good to go. Now you just have to go ahead and go down to the battery section. So let me just go down here to battery, and once you're in the battery section, what you want to do is just make sure that low power mode is off. You'll know it's on because your battery percentage will turn yellow. So make sure that low power mode is off and you're going to be good to go. So once you've done that, all you have to do is go ahead and go down to the App Store section. So let me just go down here to App Store. What you want to do is just make sure that automatic downloads is on. This should be on by default, but if it is off, make sure you go ahead and turn it on. Once you've done that, you're pretty much all good to go, and now all you have to do is go to this amazing site that I'm about to show you. So let me just go to my browser, and I'm going to show you guys the site that I'm talking about. So let me just go over here, and the site you want to go to, guys, is called IPAzilla.com. It has a ton of modded apps and games. It's a really cool site. And once you're here, there's a few different ways you can go ahead and find it. There's the game section, the emulation section, the tweak section, and the utility section, as well as a search bar. So I'm going to go to the search bar and type in Yolo++, and you can see it pops right up. It's the latest version. So in order to download this, you just have to go ahead and press install. It's going to show you a progress bar, and you just want to wait until this reaches the end. As long as you have a decent internet connection, this shouldn't take too long. Make sure you keep watching the video, though, because there are more steps after this, and I want to show you guys exactly how to do them. So you can see it says installing, so let's just give it a minute. This is always updated, which is really cool. So it's almost done, as you can see. All right, almost there, almost there. So once the progress bar reaches the end, it's going to start loading this little circle around and around, so let's give it a minute for that to start happening, as you can see. Alright, any second now. There goes the circle, and then we should get a prompt to install a configuration profile onto our device. So you can see right here it says, do you want to allow this? So you want to go ahead and press allow. And once you press allow, you just want to go ahead and press close, and then you have to go ahead and reopen settings to install the profile. So let me open settings right here. And once you're in settings, you will now see a message at the top that says profile downloaded. So you see it right there. You want to go ahead and press on profile downloaded. And once you do that, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press install. Once you press install, it's going to ask you for your iPhone password. Go ahead and put that in. Once you do that, you just have to go ahead and press install again. And then there'll be one final install prompt in red. Press that, go to your home screen, and you should now see Yolo++ on your device. So it's literally that simple to download it. It's insane. I can't believe it actually works, guys, but it does. So super cool. It's just an amazing trick. So yeah, remember to get this on your device. All you have to do is go to the site IPAzilla.com, go to the search bar and type in YOLO, and then it will pop right up, and you just have to go ahead and press install. And then just wait until that progress bar reaches the end. You will get the little circle, and then you should get the prompt to go ahead and install the configuration profile onto your device. Once you get that prompt, guys, all you have to do is go ahead and press allow. Once you press allow, just go ahead and press close. Then go ahead, reopen settings, and once you're in there, you'll see the message at the top that says profile downloaded. Go ahead, press on that. Once you do that, all you have to do is go ahead and press where it says install. After you press install, it'll ask you for your iPhone passwords. Make sure you go ahead and put that in. Then just press install again. So let me do that right here. You'll have the final prompt in red. Press it, and you should have Yolo++ on your device. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead, share this with your friends, get the word out about this crazy method. I'm blown away this actually works, guys, but it does. Super, super insane. I can't believe it. See you guys later, and peace out.